Hey everyone, you are watching Technology Welfare. In this tutorial, I will show you everything step by step with real demonstrations how to fix your Gmail password. In case someone who has hijacked, hacked, or stolen your Gmail password, or due to old Gmail, you have lost your Gmail password, you forgot your Gmail password. Now you don't have the recovery email and the recovery phone so that easily you can rescue your Gmail password. Then use a similar strategy. Yes, one viewer who has recommended 2 days freshly to the rescue of this area because he has lost his device, and due to losing of his device now he has recommended. So he was not in a position to the rescue his especially Gmail password because now he doesn't have the recovery email and the recovery phone. So by general method he was exhausted as me that especially you did not provide. Yes, answer as many questions as you can, then this can be the possible to the rescue. And second is that use a device where you have the shine in the before. Third is that alternative email. So don't try again. So because this is not easy task by this will be rolled out again and again. So what we will do, guys, just we will cut it from here, and the phone will come in a Play Store. And the Play Store too, of course, we will have to write ULA browser, and it will start with special and the download. So see here. It's 100 especially approximately 8 MB. So now it has started to install. On the other hand, let's have the two changes that is very crucial especially. Check it out especially how many browser you are using especially in your smartphones. Take any smartphone, either it is old one or new one, no problem at all, but this procedure can be applicable on any, and it's a mandatory and crucial. So just we will come in a notification, we will make it absolutely blocks, and then will come the permissions to, of course we will have to tap on it, especially don't allow. So if we click here don't allow, so before don't allow we will have to make it the precise location of, and then click on here. So if you deny these permissions, and the basic feature of your device may not be a longer. So files, no problems. Free of his fish, see free of his fish, and remove the permission that should be disabled. Then here we can show you one thing more also here. Open by defaults, and that thing also we will have to so set as the defaults. Set as the defaults when we tap, so then make it clear all the things, and thereupon it will be enabled. So you will have to make it disable, guys. So I repeat once again, this should be a disable open supported link. So now absolutely this browser will be a dysfunctional, and then we have also the Chrome, so we'll have to apply a similar status on it also. So let's tap on it, and thereupon will come the permissions too. Yes, we will have to make a notification off, and then we will back here and come in a permission, the permissions to make it the free of space off, then tap on allocations, make the customized precise location off, then tap on it, no longer the function is intended. So done everything. So now we will have to go to once again the Play Store, that it has been installed. So now our browser, of course, what we will do here, just we will tap on it, says please lime the next, and let's finish. And after finishing, of course, just would be on here. Now on especially here we will have to write simply Google, and we will go ahead. So now it has especially come on here, and just we will have to wait here. We will come in especially tap on this Google E, and now we will come in here shine in, and when we tap on a shine in, so then we will have to put here that particular Gmail that we would like to rescue. So now we will have to just tap on an action, and when we tap on an action now, see it has started to search. Now here just it is asking password. We don't have a password, so just to make it accurate option, choose it. It's asking last password. We don't remember the last password, so just we will go for try another way. How easily this can be the rescue. Now see here, this is verified ID, and of course this phone number is registered, and that is the last 2 digit is a 11. So either we can text or call and get an OTP, and we can rescue easy. But if we don't have, then of course we will go for her. I don't have. Now it is a sanction the user device. Yes, where do you have? Well, you have to shine in the phone, then this can be the rescue. Saying that answer as many questions as you can, and then this can be the rescue. And Third is the alternative email or family links. We quit all options. More tips to others go with these accounts. I will go with this. So don't click on here. Just what we will do now, just we will come to play setting I'm in the setting, not in the Play Store. In the setting, after coming you will have option the Google services and the preferences. So here is the Google services. First we'll tap on it, and thereupon we will tap on a help option. When we tap on a help options, now see here guys, when the viewer was too much to worry it especially, but now after all soon this it can be there is good. See here, just we will have to write hacked Gmail recovery. Yes, now tap on it, and upon after tapping, see here we have the restore here. You have option that is how to recover your Gmail accounts. No, we are not unknowns, we are well knowns that how to recover this. So just we will go for secure hacked or the compromised Google accounts. Here is a review your account activities. Tap on it. So when we tap on it, then see here, if you still believe that someone else is using especially your accounts, and then find out if your account has been hacked, tap on it. So when we taps, and then you will be especially these steps, and this can be the rest. And when we tap on it, and then make it confirms, and that these two options is mandatory to reflect, and that is a create a replacement Google accounts. Again, that avoid getting out. Yes, avoid getting locked out of your Gmail account. So the two options is coming means we cam on, or we have rest on a right recovery page, and tap on it to the rest of it. So automatically it will transfers to you on the recovery page. Just we will have to wait and check it out. Now see the cam on especially in there. Just we will tap one click, and this ID would be recommended automatically. And don't do anything, just click on the next and see this ID. Surely this can be the rescue now. So it's welcome. So what do you say guys, how easily this can be the rescue? So don't worry if you are having this kind of problems. Of course you can write a special email or drop your the comments. I will the rescue especially if you are unable to execute some these things then easily. But you should have no any objections to disclose your ID on these channels, as usually that's we were there the doing. So of course now, so this is all about. But here don't make a special mistakes on that by clicking on a continue, because you will be trapped in its verify options. So we'll have to go for an update password. So now we have a strong opportunity to either confirm the password, create and confirm, and thereupon save it. After saving, you will have to go in Google security in there, add a recovery email first, and after adding a special recovery email, then we can easily remove the recovery old phone number that was registered and add a new phone number, so that this Gmail will be fully and permanently secured. This thing I cannot show you guys because this is the privacy concern of this viewer. So thank you for staying the till end of this tutorials. Hi, this is the Technology Welfare, and I will be back step by step new tutorials. So don't forget to like, subscribe, this concerns because it really supports this channel guys. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye.